Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply delete a page in Webnode. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, you just be in Webnode, and then you want to click on the top right corner settings. And when you're gonna be here, you're gonna not settings, pages. Click pages here. When you're gonna be in pages, you want to click on whatever page you got, and here you just want to click delete page, right? So you get also like the settings here and delete page. Yes. Now when you're gonna delete it, it's going to be also disappear from the header. And that's pretty much it, how you do it. So thank you very much. And if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah. Goodbye.